maliit na yun. Pero katabi-katabi ng headline ng Philippine Star. Hindi yung loob, yung headline. Tapos dito, Lolong dies of fungal pneumonia. My goodness! Lolong dies of fungal pneumonia. Sabi ko, isang namatay na Guinness, isang buhay na Guinness. Oh my goodness. And I never did imagine I could be on the front page. And people keep on congratulating me. And then, sabi ko, asan ang kasunod? Walang caption. Walang nakalagay, turn to page, blah, 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 no, ha? The following, ito, last week, biglang, please, search for page 4. Eh, di hanap ako nahanap ng page 4, hindi ko makita. Sabi ko dun sa Atty. Pamintuan, yung nagsulat, Ricardo Pamta. Sabi ko, sir, I could not find it. Napakatanga ko talaga, no? I could not find it. No, it's in the Y style. Di hanapan ako. Di mo, ganyan kalaki sa... Siguro, ganyan lang ang naiwan sa newspaper. That's for free. And because this is what happened. Somebody gave him a gift, an Ensogo complimentary coupon for them to stay here. So without it, this is the story. This is the true story. Kaya nga when that happened, si lady was making bulong. Meron daw siya na editor. Editor siya ng editor. Hindi naman pala siya yung editor. But then he stayed. Pag-stay niya, then he joined the tour, the usual tour na sa babang ganon. Pero napapansin ko na siya kasi lahat ng guests ko sa baba, tinitingnan ko lahat eh. Walang halos nagmi-miss sa akin so that I could remember the next time they come back. Oh sir, you were here then. Sabi ko gano'n. As much as, yung pa isang nare-retain mo eh, yung retention. Yung retention pag nagpapasal ka, sharp 10.
Photographic memory ka po yata eh.
Hindi pa naman. And then, mahirap yung photographic, mahirap pa yan, baka another award yan. Hindi, ngayon, nung wala nang tao na magabi-gabi na, hindi ba usually, kasi that's, na Saturday night, that particular day, ang daming tao, 1,000 ata. Nagpapahingi sila ng masahista, on-call masyu. Nagpapagano siya, tapos lumapit na ako sa kanya. Pero nakita na niya lahat. Nag-observe na siya, yung pala ang passion niya is writing, he's a corporate lawyer, by profession. Edi, tsaka niya pinakilala, I'm the sister of the editor of palibasa, hindi ako nagbabasa ng star, hindi ko alam si Ana Marie Pamintuan. Kasi alam ko naman maraming editor ng entertainment, editor ng business. Idinidiin niya sa akin na chief editor. Naku, nagpabili agad ako ng films. Nakita ko next to Belmonte, siya na talaga, Ana Marie Pamintuan, the sister. And so, sabi niya, pwede ako, relevance na i-interviewin niya ako. Iniisip ko, ini-interview lang niya ako for her sister. Pero nung lumabas yung issue, nakalagay na siya yung writer. Yung pala yun ang passion niya. Ito ngayon, to make the story short. When I saw na-overwhelm ako, so I texted him. Mahirap, hindi pa naman ako magaling doon sa, sanay ako doon sa ginagano-gano na cellphone, no? Yung A, okay. And so, tinext ko nagkakamali. Yung write-up naging white-up, no? Sir, sorry po, talagang mahina po ako dito sa CP. I am overwhelmed by what you wrote, I will be grateful that I am grateful for that. Alam mo, sumagot. Do not be overwhelmed. I only wrote what I see and experience, which is very good. And actually, sabi niya, I am inspired by you. Now, I will pursue my passion. Inisip ko ngayon kung ano yung passion kasi wala naman nakalagay na passion. And now I realize it's writing. Ako ngayon ang unang article niya. Ang laki-laki pa, palibasa, malakas doon sa kapatid, editor-in-chief. 80% ng dyaryo, nalagay ako. The next, naku, ayun na. Pero marami kong write-ups. Because of you bloggers, I was able to reach Bulgaria, Bangkok. I have the clippings in with me. Bangkok, Australia, Singapore, in a magazine, Cambodia, France, marami almost, kaya sabi ko, malaki din na nagagawa talaga ng vloggers. I think sabi nga ni Gigi, you are threatening the broadsheets.
Not so much.
Okay, more.
Ayan na. Ilang countries na po yung collection? I mean, from how many countries?
Ang hindi ko palang napuntahan na country, ha? Ready na ba breakfast nila, ano? Yeah. Doon na lang kayo sa loob, anak, ha? Kumain para enjoy. Rick, patingin! How many countries? Eto ha, sasabihin ko na lang sa'yo, ang hindi ko napuntahan, hindi yung napuntahan. Kasi pag yung napuntahan, baka mataranta tayo. Inisip bigla.
Cuba.
Yan, isa, hindi. Motik na sana hindi ako sumama.
Saba.
Saba, hindi.